Hey everyone, Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with Hayward's 4-wheel cleaner. We are going to go ahead and show you guys how to remove the wheel spokes as well as the wheel pins to get the actual wheel off the cleaner. So stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we have Hayward's 4-wheel cleaner. This works for the Aquanauts as well as the Pool Vernogan 4 wheels. So same concept, just different models that Hayward provides. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to actually get the wheels off so that if you guys actually have to replace these wheels that ride on the inside of the cleaner, this is the steps that you need to take. So only tool for this one particularly that I need is just a flathead screwdriver. So I open this. So preferably some kind of a smaller head, flathead. It's just going to make it easier for you. And I'm going to go ahead and lift the cleaner up so I can get an easier grip on it here. So you're going to go ahead and place the screwdriver in and kind of wiggle this center cap. Again, be careful. It's plastic. So the last thing you guys want to do is snap the plastic when you're trying to get this off. So just do it enough so that you can actually get the wheel clip out and just, put that off to the side. So you guys will notice that this spoke just sits on there free, so you guys can take that off, and then you should be able to start to pull the wheel actually off the cleaner. So they do have bearings on the inside, so you guys want to make sure that if you are replacing it, make sure you guys are getting those extra bearings to make sure that they spin freely. So it should be real simple. You want a nice smooth spin. So essentially, you're going to pop every wheel pin out, every spoke off, and then pull the wheels off for all of them. I'll go ahead and do a back wheel for you guys so that you guys are familiar with that. A little bit more difficult. You got a little less space to work with in there. So again, the smaller flathead is a lot easier. Go ahead and see if we can get this in there. Bear with me. There it goes. So go ahead and pop it out. Again, wheel clip, all same. None of them are different compared to the front wheel or the back wheel. Here's your spokes, same thing. You can actually buy the spokes in a 4-pack from us. We've actually got those. Check out the link in the description. And then again, with the rear wheel, you're going to go ahead and just pull it off. So this one is identical. I thought it was slightly different, but they're identical. So it doesn't really matter which one you're putting it on. They both have the sets of bearings. So in order to do these, you're just going to go ahead and remove all 4. This is really important to do as they sit and ride on a plastic gear. So as that suction's moving this cleaner, the gear actually runs on the inside of the wheels. I would probably suggest doing this like every other season. So then that way the actual drive kit will grab the wheel correctly. So you don't just have spin outs. So if you start to notice that your wheels are just spinning, that's because it's unable to actually grab the inside of the tire and actually rotate it. So highly suggest at that point, take them off. See how your actual gear pieces look and see if those have worn. And then if they're not, then look on the inside of the tire here, because this hard plastic and all the different chemicals in your pool sometimes wears down. So really simple. Again, repeat the process for the other ones, swap them all out and get those tires on. If you guys want to know how to actually take the tires off and swap the tires, check out the link in the description. We've got a video for that. You will need to take those off. It just makes it easier for you to be able to get the tires off. So not necessary, but we do suggest it. So I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.